What's up, guys? I just wanted to give, some awareness about what's been going on in the world today. I know you guys been seeing it all on the news, and I just want to say Black Lives Matter. Your voices matter. We have a lot of things that we need to get done as a country, and this is the Black Revolution. Black people are getting ready to rise amongst all of this chaos. We are getting somewhere, and we will get justice for everybody. I just want to let you guys know that I will link a Black Lives Matter link below where you guys can go see a thread of a whole bunch of different petitions that you guys can sign. And signing petitions are really, really, really important because the more petitions that you sign and the more donate, the more progress that we can get done. All right, y'all. Love y'all. Peace. And please don't forget to support your Black brothers and Black sisters because, all these white corporations are feeding off of Black America. All right. Love y'all. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, mmj.coyt, and I'm back to you guys with another video. I know, y'all been like, oh, girl, where is you? Where have you been? Honestly, I've been taking a mental break for May. You know how sometimes you feel like you need a mental break? And I'm back and I'm bald-headed. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell button so y'all can know whenever I upload, because listen, y'all, I have a whole bunch of content lined up for y'all for the month of June. I have a whole bunch of stuff that I just want to upload for y'all. I really want to work with Black companies, and I really want to help promote Black products a whole lot more on this YouTube page, because with all this stuff going on in the world today, y'all, we really need to be uplifting our Black brothers and sisters. And this is the Black Revolution, y'all. It really is. This is our time. This is our upbringing. So we have to support each other as much as possible. With that further ado, let's get right on ahead into the video. Y'all, my hair was so damaged. It wasn't so damaged, but it pretty much was so damaged. Like, my hair would not grow whatsoever. That's how I knew my hair was damaged. Like, my hair has stayed the same length since high school, and I'm geared to be a senior in college. Look, I have pieces of my hair, look, heat damage, doing all this crazy stuff to my hair. And I'm gonna let you in on a secret that's kind of funny, y'all. So I don't know if y'all know my blunt cut ponytail video that I had uploaded, and everybody's in the comments talking so, did you flat iron your hair or wet hair? Did you flat iron your hair or wet hair? And I was just like,
girl, no, my hair just greasy and oily. It's all shiny.
But I did, and I fried the mess out of my hair. I didn't know better, and now I do know better because I literally fried the mess out of hair. This is going to be my healthy hair journey. I'm just going to give y'all a little warning before y'all actually see the video of me cutting my hair, y'all. Like, I literally woke up. I didn't do anything but wake up, and it was all like, I want to cut my hair. So that's exactly what I did. I just woke up and I just cut my hair, and so I'm looking real homeless, y'all. But it's okay because it's, new beginnings. June is bringing new beginnings for me and us. All right, y'all. I'm so scared. Should I do it, Isaiah? Do you think I would look right? Isaiah, you have to help me because I don't want to make a bad decision. Come here, Isaiah. Isaiah, can I just show you how I'm going to try to cut it? Come here. Soraya, I'm sitting here with a pair of scissors about to cut my hair off.
Whatever.
Look at this. Look at this. Then there's this side. Girl, I need to start over. And if I don't like it, I'm just going to put a wig on. My hair has been this length since high school. And I just keep getting it more damage and damage. And it just doesn't ever grow.
Then why don't you stop damaging it?
Wait. But how about you start with the back first? You want to go for the front right now?
Why does everybody say start at the back?
I just think because the back is just the back. I don't know.
Because I want the back to be shorter than the front, though. Let me get a comb, a brush, and I look like a hobo. Okay, I guess that's good. I'm scared. But look, this is what I would look like if I ain't had no hair.
Yes.
Oh wait, first of all,
that?
I can't even see.
Wasn't even the scissors. Goodness gracious.
I can't even see.
Why are you not getting your actual hair? You're trying to cut your neck.
Okay, there it is.
Hold on, wait.
Okay, so I have a question.
Calling me.
You hear that? My brother said I shouldn't do it because I should go to a professional.
I told you. It ain't shit but an afro. Like, what do you mean it's style cute?
20 minutes later.
Heat damage right here.
Oh wow.
That's gonna be short.
Flat iron and stuff?
Well, I have flat iron in Virginia.
Oh.
Right. Look at my hair. This is all like ugly hair. Okay, y'all, so that was pretty much me cutting my hair. I cut it really much shorter off camera, and then I had did some finger curls. And if you guys want a tutorial on how I do my finger curls, make sure you guys like, comment if y'all want to. I've really been thinking about dyeing my hair. So it's like, what color should I dye my hair? I've been thinking about maybe like a honey blonde or like a lighter brown color, or maybe even burgundy that I want to dye my hair. Because it's like, it's short, so I might as well, you know, do something with it. So let me know if y'all want to see any tutorials on how I finger curl my hair, because you can't really see, but when you get up close in the camera, like, it's curly, like, it's real curly. And I've been doing a lot of research on how to keep your hair healthy and the best way to grow your hair when doing a big chop. So if you guys want me to do an in-depth video on how I styled my hair and what tips that I have learned for the process, just leave a comment down below just to let me know. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Hey guys, I just wanted to give a reminder that I do have a link down in my description box below of all the different petitions and all the different petitions that you can also donate to, whether it's Ahmaud Arbery, Tamir Rice, and the most recent one, you know, George Floyd. So you can help bring justice to all these victims of police brutality. Please don't forget to also support your Black brothers and Black sisters, because, you know, we live in white America and we want to strive. Love y'all, and please stay safe.